Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, fan, and USB audio board. Removal. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the power connector cable for later replacement. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Lift the right display panel hinge off of its alignment pins and rotate the right display panel hinge toward the rear of the notebook. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, gently pry the power connector out of its cradle on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the power connector into its cradle on the top cover and gently press down to adhere it into place. Rotate the right display panel hinge toward the front of the notebook and lower the right display panel hinge onto its alignment pins. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board. Important: ensure that the power connector cable is properly routed to avoid damaging it when replacing other components.